Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using your Google account, sign in and open Google Sites. Once done, pick a template or blank site. Template speed layout, but blank gives full control. Create your first page and name it. Make sure to set a clear title because search engines use it. Add a header image and choose header type. You're doing structure first. This prevents backtracking. Also prepare any logos and copy so you can paste content quickly and keep momentum. Now focus on page structure and content blocks. Drag sections, pick 1, 2, or 3 columns to control flow, place text boxes, images, and embed elements. Once content is placed, configure navigation, drag pages into a hierarchy, and name them clearly so users and search bots understand. Embed Drive docs or forms to keep updates live, and set file sharing to anyone with link if public. Test mobile view. To finish, choose a site address and visibility, public or specific people, and click Publish. If you use a custom domain, update DNS records with your registrar and verify ownership. After publishing, test pages on desktop and mobile, confirm contact forms submit, and ensure embedded items display correctly. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and reload, then check Google Drive sharing and form settings. Finally, republish after fixes and monitor analytics to confirm traffic and engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.